All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassidy. If you're new here, mainly talk about Tesla. Mostly this channel is more about the awareness, just to spread out awareness about Tesla and its technology, and sometimes I talk about the stock as well, which is what about I'm about to do now. So, anyways, today they did announce the delivery. They beat like a lot. They beat a record delivery for today's Q3. They basically delivered 497,099 cars. Last year's Q3 2024, they delivered 495,570. And then production, they produced 447,450 for this year's production on the Q3. Let me just clear this up a little bit. So yeah, it's a record basically on the company's deliveries. I think it's most of it is because of the ending of the 7,500 EV credit for the government here in the U.S. And only here in the U.S., nothing really in other countries. So, but that's still pretty good. And you know what? And the stock price today is actually down, believe it or not. And yeah, let's check how much is it right now. So it closes at 436 even, which is down about, for today, they were down about 5% for today. That's a lot, which is, I mean, it's not really a lot because you can think about it. Tesla has been known to buy the rumors, sell the news type of thing. They always, for some reason, if they have announced any new products on the company, they always, for some reason, it always goes down. Like no matter what. And sometimes it's even the opposite. Even if they have a bad earnings, the stock goes up. And then this time they have a really positive deliveries on their cars. 497,099 cars. The stock went down, and this is like the best ever car deliveries. They actually delivered more than they produce, which yeah, that's crazy. Usually it's you produce more and then you deliver kind of less, but this is the opposite, which it leads me to believe that it looks like they're clearing out their production and the Model Y. And oh, let's see, there's a bike right here crossing, and it gives us distance right now, which is nice. So we're just gonna pay attention here because this is like intersection. It's kind of busy. So let's see how the FSD does. So by the way, I am on my 2023 Model Y with version 13.2.9. So yeah, so it's crossing, which is nice. And voila, perfect. And this is just version 13 right now, guys. Imagine when version 14 comes out. I don't even know how to think. If version 13 is already way better. Like I'm already like right now I'm going to a store right now, and it drives me all the way there where I have no problem. All right, let's go back. Oh man, so basically, yeah. So when there's a positive news on Tesla, it tends to go down. This is the time. I'm not. It's not a financial advice. Do your own diligence. We're all grown up here. This is the time when you buy. Like you look at the. This is old noise. Right now with Tesla, what's going on with Tesla? This is all noise. You look at the signal, and the signal is, it's telling you it's a strong buy. You know, everything. The delivery was high for 497. Almost. That's like, imagine that. That's mind blowing. That's almost 500,000 cars in 3 months. They delivered almost 500,000 cars in 3 months. That is outstanding. You know, especially when they say, you know, Tesla's supposed to be down, you know, on their deliveries because of brand damage. I don't think there's any brand damage. You know, everybody wants, you know, their Tesla. Especially now. Let's go back. Let's go to the next chapter on here, which is now that third quarter is done. That's all done. Third quarter is all done. Now fourth quarter, I think they're gonna announce, because they have their earnings on, put it on your calendar, which is October 22nd, and usually they do that after the after market close. So I think they're gonna announce, or maybe before you know, the third quarter earnings, they're gonna announce the new affordable cars. I'm gonna post it on the picture here, which is, there was some rumors on X how it looks like. And it looks pretty good actually. I'll post it here, and it looks really good. I would buy it. I would get it. But the price, we don't really know yet. Well, Tesla has been known to, like, if there's like a new product, they always run with promotion. Like what they did with the new Model Y Performance 2026. It came out with like, actually the day of, when, you know, the last day of the 75 credit, EV credit came out. I think you get it for 49,000, and this one came with FSD for life of the car, and also it came with premium connectivity, which is what I use too, which is the premium connectivity where you can get it for like $100 for 1 whole year, which is a no-brainer. It it makes so much easier. This is where you can use your Netflix. You can watch your Netflix, your YouTube, your the on here where you can look at the weather. It's nice, especially here in Florida, if you want to look at the weather where the rain is coming or something. I use it a lot, and some other features that came with it. So yeah, I have a feeling that 39,000, if it comes out with 39,000, that will be a package. That will be with, probably it will come out with a free FSD or a free, premium connectivity. Which exactly what they did with the new Model Y Performance, and I think that's what they're gonna do. I have a feeling of that, and that's 39,000, which is a good deal already. But after that promotion ends, and they're gonna take out the free FSD, and so that's when it's gonna be around 30 to 31,000. Even better if it's sub 30 or below 30,000. That would be that's really cheap compared to other cars right now, which gas cars right now, average price is around 40, 42 and up. So yeah, I think that they're running with promotion. So that's number one. That's that's coming out as a catalyst for the stock and for the company. Number two, FSD 14. That's FSD version 14 is coming out. That's I think that's gonna be coming out in the next week or two right now, and that's gonna increase the the people's gonna be like, how do you put this? The rate to owning Tesla right now is, if FSD, and everybody knows about how good FSD 13 is, that's gonna be wild. It's gonna go up even more. The usability of Tesla right now. So yeah, it's a no-brainer. Like right now, I'm not even driving the car. I got off to work. It's been a long day, and I just sit here and just talk to you guys. And so what I did today, actually, I bought some stock. It doesn't make sense why it goes down, and usually I know how Tesla works. It goes down on good news. They call it buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. So you know what? This is the time when you get a chance to buy in. It went up to like 473 something this morning. So there's a chance that it could go up there again in the next few days when all of this comes out with a new affordable Model Y, and it's supposed to have like it's an affordable Model Y, so it probably doesn't have the sunroof. It doesn't have the screen in the back, and I don't think it will have the the light strips on the new 2026. So, and it will be like it will have like a cloth interior. So that's about, I don't know, 10,000 off right there on the new Model Y right now. So that's gonna increase the usability of the Tesla, the affordability of having a Tesla too, and everybody's gonna be able to afford it. And with if the awareness of FSD, because I truly believe in my heart that nobody knows about full self-driving, because every time I talk to somebody, my coworkers, my friends, or whatever, when I tell them about FSD, like, hey, I have that on my car, they always tell me like, no, you don't have it. You have cruise control. Everybody has cruise control in their car, and it doesn't turn for you. It doesn't drive you basically from point A to point B. When everybody knows about it, that Tesla cars can drive you from point A to point B without touching the steering wheel, the pedal, anything like that, it's gonna be crazy. And plus, with the affordable Model Y comes in, and yeah, everybody is gonna want one. So right now, everything is just noise. You just don't listen to the noise. You look at the signal. The signal is telling you that the stock is dirt cheap, even though it ran up for like right now, to, I don't know, from when I was buying it before. I don't really care. I bought some shares today. I don't really care if it goes up my average, because I know that I think this is the base. This is the bottom. When everything comes out with this news, the catalyst comes out, I think we're gonna go higher, man. And then my prediction is at the end of this year, we're gonna go up to 600 per share. So right now, we're just accumulating in the 440 base. that base, the longer the base, and it just stacks up right there. All right, this is a good analogy right here. So it's just a spring. A spring, you just compress it so hard, you just like press it all the way down, and this is where we are right now at 440 range. And if there's a big catalyst that comes out, that spring is just gonna sprung like crazy, and it's gonna skyrocket all the way up. So right now, you guys, this is not financial advice, but man, this is the time to accumulate shares on Tesla. So it doesn't really matter. Like right now, today, this morning, I even forgot that it's supposed to it's the delivery day today. I thought it was like after the market closed, so I was like, whoa. And then my friend texted me about how much delivery they had. They announced. I was shocked. 497. I was like, what? But because for me, I'm a long-term investor. I'm gonna ride it out all the way to 2030. I've been investing to Tesla since 2021. I've been buying the stock when it was below 200. The cheapest I bought it for back in right after when the Twitter, when Elon bought Twitter. That's when it started going down, really dropping down really hard, and that's when I was buying it from like 160s. I bought it like 150s. It was like 3-4 years ago now. It's crazy. Time went fast. It's already, man, it's crazy. But anyways, yeah, that was my average was like 170, and I've been buying it up 180 every time I have extra money. So now my average is in the 220s. So like it drops right now 5%. Who cares? Like even if it goes up to like 5-10% today, I don't really care. I mean, it's nice to have it, but I don't really sell it, you know? I think of it this way. It will be harder if you're a short-term investor. For sure. This will hurt you. If it drops like 5% and you think that it's going to go up because of, the delivery, the stock psychology, well, this is when it will basically, it will ruin, it will ruin your brain because you would think it would go up, but this is why when you invest into a stock, into a company, treat it as your business, like treat it as like, this is my business. I own this business. If I have a business, if I bought it today, I'm not gonna sell it the next day. I'm gonna let it grow. I'm gonna accumulate, let it grow. Like a plant. You planted it. You're not gonna harvest it tomorrow. You leave it there. Let it wait till the fruits comes out. So that's what you should be thinking. My long-term goal is to, like, at 2030, I'm not gonna sell all of it, obviously. I'll be like maybe taking some of it out and maybe putting some of my profit towards like a good business, like a real estate, or like a long-term rental. Basically, I'll buy like a 2 or 3, and then the robo taxi, when it comes out, I probably buy like 3 cars and put it on the fleet, and those 3 cars will make money for me. But anyways, guys, I don't want to make this long video, but I'm just saying this is the perfect time to accumulate. Don't listen to the noise. Look at the signal. Every signal Tesla is having right now recently is all positive. And you just wait. Give it some time. 5 years, 6, 7 years, and you're gonna be sitting pretty. Your investment. So again, but this is not financial advice, but I'm just giving you from my experience. I've been buying the stock since below 200. Now my average is 220, and now it's about 440 now. 436 at close today, but I don't really care about that. All I care is about, what the company's doing. So, alright guys, if you like this, a little update for today. Today's Q3 delivery and what I think about it. It's all about baloney. It's all baloney. Alright guys, till next time, if you like this video, like my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.